Hey, what's going on, compadre? Jeff Amen here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, so I got something really cool for you today. I've got a free mini course that I'm going to give you that's going to help you get some really easy traffic and leads. And this is one of the fastest ways to get affiliate sales, in my opinion. Um, and it's one of the easiest way to get affiliate sales as well. And that is with paid advertising. All right, free traffic takes time. This YouTube channel is going to get me some, when I release this video, it's going to get me some free traffic, but it also took time to build this channel up over, the last few years. I haven't really posted consistently all that much, but it still took me time to build up. It still took me time to be able to get the authority with my channel to be able to rank videos. And it's going to be the same with any source like that, especially with if you're blogging. It's another free traffic source. That takes time as well. Obviously, it's going to take time to get your content indexed in Google. With social media, now that can be a little bit faster. We're talking like Facebook. You can get some social media traffic with Facebook and Instagram like that. Free traffic I'm talking about. Kind of fast, but it's hard to scale really fast. So if you want to make the fastest way to make affiliate sales, guys, is to do paid advertising. But that's where it gets tricky because paid advertising is really a tricky thing, especially with PPC platforms like Facebook and Google Ads. I mean, first of all, you have to learn the platform. All right, you have to learn how to set up your ads. You have to learn all the different types of ads they have. You have to set up your campaigns. You have to get all that kind of stuff in place first before you can even get an ad running. And then once you get the ad running, then you got to keep up with it, or else you're going to end up paying more for your campaign. You got to keep an eye on it. And so it's really a pain in the ass to do a lot of paid advertising. So what I like to do a lot of times with paid advertising is I like to do paid advertising that has a set cost. I know what I'm going to get. I know what I'm paying for. I'm not, for example, solo ads is one thing I do, where a solo ad is where you'll buy an ad from an email, somebody that has an email list in your niche. All right. And so I'll buy an ad and I will pay a set cost per click. And so I'll go out and I'll say, look, I want 500 clicks. Send it to me. I don't need to learn anything. I know that he's going to send my link out to his list and I'm going to get 500 clicks from his list. It's easy. I don't have to learn any type of PPC platform or anything like that. Now, the same goes for Instagram influencing, influencer traffic. And Instagram's one of the easiest places to get influencer traffic. All right. And so what influencer traffic is, they're called shout outs. And so what you're going to do is what you would do in the old days, and you can still do this as well. This is the manual way, but you'd go to Instagram and you would look for profiles. You'd look for influencers in your niche. Like if you're in affiliate marketing, you could go to each one of these profiles and you could reach out to them personally and be like, hey, do you offer shout outs? If so, what's the cost? Then you'd negotiate a cost and then you would send them your post. And then what would happen is you send them your post. In your post, you have a image or you have something that says, click the link in the bio. Of course, you can do shout outs now with Instagram Reels, which is very powerful as well. But put your link in the, click the link in the bio, and that influencer will put your link in their bio for a set period of time. So most shout outs are, they can be any amount of time depending on what you negotiate, but most are 12 hours, 24 hours. And so they will post that to their account. Their entire following will get a chance to see that for 12 hours, 24 hours, whatever you negotiate. There'll be a call to action to go back, click the link in the bio, and then that will go directly to any website you choose, which I would recommend sending people to a capture page. That way you can capture their email address. They can get onto your subscriber list. All right, so that's the way influencer marketing works on Instagram. So what I have for you today is a course I created. It's called Instagram Lead Pump. 100% free. It's going to be in the description. Hope you enjoy it. But I'm going to give you some resources here where you don't have to do the manual stuff. All right. And once again, one thing I love about this is you don't have to learn any type of PPC ad platform or any type of ad platform. You simply reach out, you make a negotiation with the influencer, and then you get your post posted, and people go and click the link in the bio and get on your email list, or go to whatever affiliate offer it is you choose. So here is one such place. It's called Shoutcart, and I've also got some other places that you can go and check out some different influencers. But if you go to Shoutcart, I'll just give you an idea of how it would work. And once again, Reels are getting very, very popular. And so I would recommend looking at the Reel shoutouts, but you can also Instagram Reels, but you can also just do a regular post as well. As you can see here, when I pull this up, I've already got some money in there that I can spend on a shout out, but you're going to search here by, keyword for influencers, and then Shoutcart is going to bring up the influencers that are here in their database that you can then just straight from Shoutcart, just order a shout out and upload your post, upload your link, and it will automatically be scheduled. All right, so you don't have to even talk to the influencer. Everything is taken care of through Shoutout. So you'd simply come here, Shoutcart. So you'd simply come here, enter your keyword, whatever niche you're in, and then you'd have all of these different influencers that you can come take a look at. I recommend taking a look at all of their profiles. Make sure that you go back to Instagram and you look at the posts. Actually go to their account, look at the post, and look at the eyeballs that are seeing each one. All right. So if there's an average of 10, 15,000 people looking at each post, that could be a huge injection of traffic for your affiliate business in, boom, 24 hours. You could make a ton of sales within 24 hours. All right. Hopefully you see the power in that. It says really quick. You just get a flood of traffic really quick. You're getting in front of an influencer's audience for a full 24 hours. So that is huge. All right. And so, like I say, here is the link is going to be in the description. It's called Instagram Lead Pump. And you don't even have to have an Instagram account to do this, guys. You don't even have to have an Instagram account. That's the cool part. So that is the fastest way to get affiliate sales, in my opinion, is to get in front of somebody's audience. Pay somebody a set price, and the prices are going to vary. It's going to depend. If you want to get in front of somebody's audience with 1 million followers on Instagram, you're going to pay a whole metric crap ton, obviously. But you can do it on a lower scale if you have a smaller budget. You can do it with smaller influencers that obviously have smaller audiences. They're not going to charge as much. So you can do this very affordably starting out, and then you can build up as you start making more money with your affiliate business. Now, speaking of affiliate businesses, I would like to show you what I'm up to right now. And this affiliate system has absolutely been incredible for me. I've been online for many, many years now, and I haven't seen anything quite like this. All right. This converts at a rate that I haven't seen before. And I've tested a lot of different affiliate systems. So basically the rapid profit machine, and that's what it's called, the rapid profit machine. It's going to allow you to get a pretty much done for you super funnel. You're going to be able to import it. You're going to be able to get everything set up for you. And you're going to be able to make commissions, up to 100% commissions on various products. So you're going to be making multiple streams of income. And you're also going to be building a very, very nice recurring income with a platform called Builderall. And Builderall is a company that's been around for 10 years. It's a tool that everybody needs, which is a page builder. It's an email autoresponder. It's all the tools that you need to run an affiliate marketing business or your own product business, whatever, digital marketing business online. Every single tool that you need. Very high quality tools, and pretty much the lowest in the industry as far as tools are concerned with the amount of tools that they give you. All right. And so the product is fantastic. And in fact, it's earned me using the rapid profit machine. I wouldn't have been able to do this without the rapid profit machine because it converts so well. But using the rapid profit machine in less than 90 days, I was able to get my income up to $6,000 per month in recurring. So that's very, very, that's different than just making $6,000 in a month. and then next month not making anything, because this is recurring monthly commissions. These are commissions that are going to come in every single month. All right, so that's huge to be able. Imagine being able to create a 72K per year income in 3 months. That's huge. I was able to do that with RPM, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So if you click the link, the first link in the description is going to go to a page where you can enter your email. You can get on my email newsletter, and then you're going to be directed to a page that looks like this. I've got a full overview of the Rapid Profit Machine. I've also got proof that of $6,000 in 90 days here. More proof. One of my team members, Edward, made $1,200 in his first 2 weeks. He's killing it right now. And so I'm not the only one seeing success. All right. Just want to make that clear. Yes, I have been online a long time. And so I'm able to see results like these, but like I say, my team member Edward comes in, he's getting these results. I want to show you some results, and the reason why I was inspired to make this video actually is because I was scrolling through our Rapid Profit Machine Facebook group, and I saw this post here from one of our members, Kadam, and he just crossed over $8,000 with Builderall and RPM, and he mentions just tried a new traffic source recently, and it exploded me with a lot of sales, and that is influencer traffic. And that is exactly what I teach in Instagram lead pump. All right. So we have people in the Rapid Profit Machine group, guys, here that are just making a killing. There's only over 6,000 of us in here, and you should just come here and see the daily results that people are getting. So I highly recommend checking out the Rapid Profit Machine. Once again, first link in the description. Jump on my newsletter. I also give away a lot of tips and tricks on that newsletter as well that I don't usually do in YouTube videos, stuff like that. So you're going to get on my newsletter, then you're going to come here. Make sure to check out Rapid Profit Machine. We are absolutely killing it right now. All right, we'd love to have you on board. But that's it about that. Do enjoy Instagram Lead Pump. As I said, this resource right here, these resources are going to allow you to bypass having to go out and contact these different influencers directly and have to negotiate prices and all that kind of stuff. You can just do everything within these platforms, have it go out automatically, and then you just kick back and you get the injection of traffic. So once again, I think this is one of the fastest ways to get a affiliate sales by far. You don't have to learn anything. You don't have to go out and learn a new ad platform in order to paid traffic, by far fastest way to get affiliate sales. But then you don't have to learn anything on top of it. All you have to do is give somebody your link, and in this case, create a post or an Instagram reel, and then the traffic will start coming in. All right, so hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you got any value, and that's it, guys. Have a fantastic one.